Welcome to Blissful Broadcast, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Here, we explore the secrets to a vibrant and fulfilling life, offering tips, insights, and expert advice on nutrition, fitness, mental well-being, and holistic living. Join us on this journey to better health and discover how to live your most blessed and blissful life. Today, we will explore the top 4 healthiest cooking oils and guide you in choosing the best one for your health. I want to thank all my new subscribers for joining the Blissful Broadcast family. Your support means the world to us, and we promise to keep serving up top-notch content to help you live your best life. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future culinary adventures. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and share it with your friends and family. Let's begin our journey towards a healthier lifestyle, one delicious dish at a time. Let's get into the origins, nutritional profile, and best ways to incorporate extra virgin olive oil into your diet. Often referred to as liquid gold, this oil is the pinnacle of cooking oils. It is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol and support cardiovascular health. But it's not just about the fats. Extra virgin olive oil is also abundant in antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. Think of them as your body's personal security team, combating harmful free radicals. You might be wondering about other vegetable oils. Pay close attention, as this is crucial. While some vegetable oils are acceptable in moderation, extra virgin olive oil stands out. It has a robust flavor that enhances any dish, from salads to sautés. However, not all olive oils are created equal. Look for extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed and retains the most nutrients. Your body will appreciate the difference. Extra virgin olive oil is also effective in combating inflammation. It acts as a soothing balm for your body, helping to alleviate aches and pains. If you seek a cooking oil that is both delicious and beneficial, extra virgin olive oil is the answer. It is the gold standard, the top choice among cooking oils. Do not settle for anything less than the best, especially when it concerns your health. Now, let's explore why extra virgin olive oil is so exceptional. It's not just about the taste, although that is significant. The process of making extra virgin olive oil is an art form. The olives are carefully picked and pressed without the use of heat or chemicals, ensuring that all the natural goodness is retained. This meticulous process distinguishes extra virgin olive oil from other types. It is a labor of love, from the olive groves to your kitchen. Its versatility is unmatched. You can use it in numerous ways, drizzling it over salads, as a base for marinades, or simply dipping your bread into it. Each use reveals a different aspect of its rich, complex flavor. Chefs worldwide endorse it, and for good reason. It enhances the flavors of other ingredients without overpowering them. And it's not just for cooking. Extra virgin olive oil has been used for centuries in skincare routines. Its moisturizing properties make it a natural choice for keeping your skin soft and supple. So, next time you're at the store, reach for that bottle of extra virgin olive oil. It's more than just an ingredient. It's a tradition, a lifestyle, and a testament to the beauty of simple, natural foods. Remember, when it comes to your health and your taste buds, do not compromise. Choose the best. Choose extra virgin olive oil. Next up, we've got avocado oil, a true multitasker in the kitchen. This oil is like the sous chef you always wanted. Versatile, reliable, and always ready to step up to the plate. Just like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil is loaded with those heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. But here's where it gets really interesting. Avocado oil has a higher smoke point than olive oil, meaning it can withstand higher temperatures before it starts to break down. This makes it a champion for high-heat cooking methods like roasting and stir-frying. But don't let its high smoke point fool you. Avocado oil is also delicate enough to use in dressings and sauces. It's got a mild, buttery flavor that won't overpower your dishes. Think of it as the Switzerland of cooking oils. Neutral, versatile, and always a safe bet. And let's not forget about its nutritional value. Avocado oil is packed with vitamins E and K, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy bones, skin, and blood. It's like a multivitamin for your body, all wrapped up in one delicious package. Compared to other vegetable oils, avocado oil is a clear winner. It's minimally processed, nutrient-rich, and incredibly versatile. So whether you're whipping up a salad dressing or searing a steak, avocado oil is a top contender. Now let's jet off to the tropics and talk about coconut oil. This golden elixir derived from the humble coconut has been a staple in tropical regions for centuries. Its uses range from culinary to medicinal, and it's even found its way into beauty routines around the world. This oil has been getting a lot of buzz lately, and for good reason. From the kitchens of health enthusiasts to the shelves of beauty stores, coconut oil is everywhere. But what makes it so special? Coconut oil is unique because it's made up primarily of medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. These are a special type of fat that's metabolized differently than other fats. Unlike long-chain fatty acids found in most other oils, MCTs are absorbed quickly and provide a rapid source of energy. Think of MCTs as the express train of the fat world, bypassing the usual digestive route and heading straight to your liver, where they're converted into energy. This means that instead of being stored as fat, MCTs are more likely to be used as an immediate energy source. This makes coconut oil a great choice for anyone looking for a quick energy boost, especially in the morning. Imagine starting your day with a spoonful of coconut oil in your coffee or smoothie, giving you that extra kick to power through your morning routine. But coconut oil's benefits don't stop there. It's packed with antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and support overall health. These antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and promote a healthy heart. It also boasts antimicrobial properties, meaning it can help fight off those nasty bacteria and fungi that can make you sick. Lauric acid, a component of coconut oil, is particularly effective at killing harmful pathogens. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your immune system, always on the lookout for potential threats. Regular consumption of coconut oil can help bolster your body's natural defenses. And when it comes to cooking, coconut oil is a true champion. Its versatility in the kitchen is unmatched, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. It's got a high smoke point, making it perfect for high heat cooking, and it adds a subtle sweetness to dishes that's simply irresistible. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, baking, or even frying, coconut oil can handle the heat. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but isn't coconut oil high in saturated fat? And you'd be right, it is. However, it's important to understand the type of saturated fat we're dealing with. However, here's the thing. Not all saturated fats are created equal. The saturated fat in coconut oil is different from the saturated fat found in animal products. It's made up of those MCTs we talked about earlier, which, as we know, are metabolized differently. This means they are less likely to be stored as fat and more likely to be used as energy. This unique composition makes coconut oil a healthier option compared to other saturated fats. So, don't be afraid to add a little coconut oil to your diet. It's a versatile and healthy fat that can add a touch of tropical flair to your dishes. From savory to sweet, the possibilities are endless. It's a versatile and healthy fat that can add a touch of tropical flair to your dishes. Whether you're making a stir-fry, baking cookies, or even whipping up a salad dressing, coconut oil can elevate your culinary creations to new heights. Finally, let's talk about ghee, the golden elixir revered in many cultures. This golden treasure has been a staple in households for centuries, celebrated not just for its culinary uses, but also for its nutritional benefits. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ghee, isn't that just clarified butter? And you'd be right, it is. But there's so much more to ghee than meets the eye. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Ghee is a nutritional powerhouse. It's not just a cooking fat, it's a superfood that has been celebrated in Ayurvedic medicine for its healing properties. Ghee is made by simmering butter over low heat, which removes the milk solids, leaving behind pure butter fat. This process is meticulous and requires patience, but the result is worth it. This process not only gives ghee its distinctive nutty flavor, but also makes it lactose and casein-free, which is great news for anyone with dairy sensitivities. It's a perfect alternative for those who are lactose intolerant. But ghee's benefits don't stop there. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. It's also packed with vitamins A, E, and K, as well as conjugated linoleic acid, a fatty acid that's been linked to a number of health benefits, including weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity. These vitamins are essential for maintaining good vision, skin health, and a robust immune system. And just like avocado oil and coconut oil, ghee has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high heat cooking. This means you can use it for frying, sautéing, and even grilling without worrying about it breaking down and releasing harmful compounds. It also adds a rich, buttery flavor to dishes that's simply irresistible. Whether you're making a traditional Indian curry or a simple stir-fry, ghee can elevate the taste to a whole new level. So, if you're looking for a healthy and flavorful alternative to butter, ghee is the way to go. It's not just for Indian cuisine. You can use it in a variety of dishes, from spreading it on toast to using it in your favorite baked goods. It's a versatile fat that can be used in everything from cooking to baking. Its unique properties make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but isn't ghee still a saturated fat? And you'd be right, it is. However, the type of saturated fat in ghee is different from that found in many other animal products. And you'd be right, it is. But just like with coconut oil, the saturated fat in ghee is different from the saturated fat found in animal products. It's composed of short and medium-chain fatty acids, which are easier for the body to digest and use for energy. It's made up of short and medium-chain fatty acids, which are metabolized differently and don't have the same negative impact on cholesterol levels. In fact, some studies suggest that ghee can actually help improve your cholesterol profile. So, next time you're in the kitchen, consider reaching for ghee. It's not just a cooking fat, it's a golden elixir that can enhance both the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. Well, there you have it, my friends. The top 4 healthiest cooking oils to elevate your culinary game and boost your well-being. Remember, choosing the right cooking oil can make all the difference in the flavor and healthfulness of your meals. Thank you for joining us on Blissful Broadcast. We hope this guide has helped you understand the healthiest cooking oils and how to choose the best one for your health. Remember, a healthy life starts in the kitchen, and with these oils by your side, you'll be cooking up a storm in no time. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.